Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to change and improve the intakes on your new G87? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why you're going to want to do this on your car. Now, this is the brand new BMW G87 M2. Now, it has an advantage unlike other new models, and this really is a new model, that it shares a lot of the components, including the engine of a number of other BMW models. So a lot of the developed products that are out there, for example, the X3M or the new G80 M3 or the M4, all fit on this car, which is just awesome. We don't have to wait for that development cycle. So talking with Keys Motorsports, I said, hey, what intakes should I throw in my car if I wanted to change them? Yeah, we're going to put on the new MST conical intakes into this car. They can increase your performance just a little bit. They change the sound of your car just a little bit, and the install isn't hard at all. Let me walk you through the whole process, and we're going to start under the hood. Okay, y'all, so here we are underneath the hood, and we're going to want to remove our strut brace to make this whole process a little bit easier. So we're talking about this strut brace here and the front V. We don't need to take the back off. And this is where you get a little bit of the differences in the G87 or M2 rather than the G80s or G82s. So we've got this cover over the top of the brace itself. So you've got these little expanding plastic rivets. That's where you want to take a plastic trim tool and pull up the center pin, and then you can pull 1, 2, and 3 and pull these out. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side when it's up. But you pull those 3.